Hello everyone, I am CA Samiksha Agarwal. I scored third rank all over India in the revised scheme of CA final held by ICI in May 2018, and this is a very proud moment for me and my family, and I couldn't have done this without the support of my mom, my family and my lovely teachers. And one of them is obviously Archana ma'am. I scored the highest in SFM, which is 90, and I couldn't believe that I've scored so well. And it's all because of her efforts, because her concepts and the logics that she used to teach us and the way she used to teach us with was amazing. And also her book was very exhaustive. The sums and the coverage was pretty much so good that I did not worry with the modules, and I was very comfortable with the module after solving her material. And also we have sometimes a reservation that only a chartered accountant can teach the subjects, which is not true at all. Archana ma'am has an amazing background in finance, and I can guarantee that there's no one who can teach SFM better than her. Like having a degree in MS Finance, in MBA and CFA, this is the ultimate, like she's the best. You need to come here if you want a rank, probably.
Archana Miss has always taken a lot of pains in teaching. It's clearly her passion, and she makes learning very
easy and very conceptual actually, because if you look at it, your all doubts are cleared and you have a conceptual understanding of the subject actually, because you know the concepts of SFM. It's not that you're ratifying it and going to exams, especially forex, derivatives. These are her main topics, and she teaches us very well.
It's a pleasure sitting in her class. Not only does she teach the whole class, after the class if you have any doubts, she's individually, like every student, she makes sure she takes the trouble, and you'll feel like she individually knows you. She's individually going to attend to your needs, whatever you find difficult. She'll never tell you no to re-attend a lecture. If any problems, no matter what, even other than SFM, she's always encouraged us and helped us grow, and which is why today this has been possible.
And even if you guys take virtual, I'm sure there'll be no problem, because you won't have doubts at all, because her teaching style is so clear and so conceptual that you won't have doubts in it. So there's no need to like worry about ki doubts kaise clear hoenge, kya hoega, because you'll understand everything.
Hi, I'm Rohit Mandolia, and I cleared my final C examinations in May 2018. I'd like to recommend Archana Khetan because of the conceptual clarity that she provides in her lectures. So when I was writing my examinations, I could recollect stuff that she had taught us in our lectures. So even if I couldn't recollect a proper sum, I recollected the concept and I could apply them, and it helped me score 50 in SFM. So the conceptual clarity is very important for any practical subject for that matter, and it helps a lot to crack any type of sum that you may encounter in the exam.
Hi, I'm Akshat Gupta. I have scored 80 in SFM in May 2018 exams. The main reason was when Archana ma'am explains in the class, you can remember each and every concept while you're writing in the exam. You don't remember the sum you have practiced at your home and just the formulas in the exam, but if you know how to go about the thing, if you know what she has taught you in the class, you would be able to crack through the exam. And focus on the theory, because that is an integral part of it, because it holds a lot of marks, like 20-24 marks in the exam. So that is also important, which is also covered in ma'am's classes. So you have to cover everything on that part.
Hi guys, my name is Pratik. I cleared CA final in the first attempt in the May 18 session of the exam, and I was Archana ma'am's student for SFM, and the most important thing, the thing that helped me the most is since the difficulty of the SFM paper is increasing in every session of the exam, and as it becomes even more conceptual and it aligns with the other higher finance courses, the more difficult ones. It's extremely important to have a very deep and a thorough knowledge and understanding of the subject, especially since we have very limited experience in our articleship as well to core finance. And I think the conceptual understanding and which ma'am gave us, because of the experience that she's garnered, whatever she shared with us, really went a long way in helping me crack the exam, solving the difficult sums in the study material, practice manual, which is why I did not really have to mug up anything at all in this subject, at least, be it formulas or be it steps and whatnot. So that was extremely helpful. Thanks.
First of all, thank you, Archana ma'am, for all the efforts, for inspiring us, motivating us throughout the lectures, and giving us the spirit to work hard and we just crack the exam. Thank you, ma'am. And I scored 56 in SFM, and everything was because of the conceptual clarity that I got during the lectures. Like when we are studying, we need the conceptual clarity because the same sum isn't going to come in the exam. So we need to understand the concepts, what is the logic behind that. And the most important thing after understanding the concept is that we need to practice. We need to write each and every sum. We need a lot of practice, and which we get in Archana Khetan's classes. The book that she has given, such a foolproof book, like majority of the things are covered in that. So once again, thank you ma'am for doing all the hard work for us so that we can just go through it easily. Thank you, ma'am.